Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. In today's video lecture, I am going to take your revision. So, the first chapter is place value. In this chapter, you have two type of numbers, 5-digit numbers and 6-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers consist of 5 digits. For example, here I have written a number. This number is 5-digit number. Why? See, this number formed by 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this number is 5-digit number. Now secondly, the 6-digit number. 6-digit number formed by 6 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this number is 6-digit number. Now next topic is place value chart. You can express these two numbers, these two type of numbers in place value chart. So this place value chart contains 3 periods, ones, thousands and lakhs. Ones period contains 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds, and thousand period contains 2 places, thousand and 10,000, and lakh period contains 2 places, lakh and 10 lakh. Now we write this number in this place value chart. So you have to start from the right side. The right digit number is 9. So write 9 in ones place, then 7 in tens place, 5 in hundred place, 3 in thousand place and 2 in 10,000 place. Okay. So these 3 places, ones, tens and hundred, make ones period. So after 3 digit you have to insert comma. Then next 2 digit will go in thousand period. So how can you write this number? 23,579. Okay. Now next number is this. So first you have to arrange this digit in places. You have to write 3 in ones place, then 1 in tens place, then 9 in hundred place, then 8 in thousand place, 7 in 10,000 place and 6 in lakh place. See, these 3 places make ones period, means 3 digit will go in ones period. So after these 3 digits you have to insert comma. Then after 2 digit you have to insert comma. These 2 digit will go in thousand and 10,000 place, means thousand period, and this last digit will go in lakh period. So you have to speak like this: 6,78,913. This way you can read and write the 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. Now the next topic is how to write place and place value of each digit in the 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. 58,397. This is 5-digit number. So first we will write the places of each digit. Place of 7 is ones, place of 9 is tens, place of 3 is hundreds, place of 8 is thousand, and place of 5 is 10,000. Now place value of 7. Place value of 7 is 7, or you may write 7 ones. Place value of 9 is 90 or 9 tens. Place value of 3 is 300, or you may write 3 hundreds. Then place value of 8 is 8,000, or you may write 8 thousands. Then place value of 5 is 50,000 or 5 10,000. So there are two types. You can write the place value, whether you can write like this in numbers or you can write with place. Okay. Now the next number is 8,17,362. This is 6-digit number. Now we will start writing the places of each digit in this number. The place of 2 is ones, place of 6 is tens, place of 3 is hundreds, place of 7 is thousand, place of 1 is 10,000, and place of 8 is lakh. Okay, now we have to write place value. Place value of 2 is 2, or you may write 2 ones. Then place value of 6 is 60 or 6 tens. Then place value of 3 is 300, or you may write 3 hundreds. Then place value of 7 is 7,000 or 7 thousands. Then place value of 1 is 10,000, or you may write 1 10,000. Then place value of 8 is 8 lakh in form, or you may write with place like 8 lakhs. Okay. So these are the place and place values of each digit in 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. Now we have to find the sum of place value of 6 in 60,363. So in 60,363, the place value of 6 is 60 and the place value of next 6 is 6,000. Since you have to find the sum, so we will add both the place value of 6. 60 plus 6,000. What will you get? 6,060. This is the sum of place value of 6 in 60,363. Next question is, find the difference of the place value of 8 in 3,48,008. Okay. In 3,48,008, you have to find the difference of place value of 8. So, the first 8 is here and the place value of 8 is 8 only. Then place value of next 8 is 8,000. Now we have to find the difference. So we will subtract 8 from 8,000. Okay. Can you subtract 8 from 0? No. So you have to borrow from the 8. This 8 will be 7 and this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 8 will be 2. Then this 0 will be 9. Write 9 as it is. Then 9 as it is and this 8 will be 7. So write 7 as it is. What will you get? 7,992. This is the difference between the place value of 8 in 3,48,008. Now you have to compare numbers by putting the sign of greater, less or equal. 53,821 and 5,392. You have to compare both the numbers. First you have to see these are 4-digit number or 5-digit number. 53,821 is 5-digit number and 5,392 is 4-digit number. 5-digit number is greater than 4-digit number. So that 53,821 is greater than 5,392. Now see next 63,510 and 63,511. Both the numbers are 5-digit numbers. So you have to compare the very left side digits of both the numbers. See, here is 6 and 6. So we can't compare. Then next digit is 3 and here is also 3. Again we can't compare. Then next digit is 5 and there is also 5. So we can't compare again. Then next digit is 1 and 1. So again we can't compare. But the next digit is 0 and 1. See, 1 is greater than 0. So that 63,511 is greater than 63,510. This way you have to compare numbers. Next question is, write greatest number and smallest number using digits 5, 0, 3, 1, 7, 4. So first we will write the greatest number. Okay. So to write greatest number, we will choose the greatest digits among all these digits. So the greatest digit is 7. So write 7. Then write 5. Then 4, 3, 1 and 0. Okay. So the greatest number formed by given digit is 7,54,310. Now you have to write the smallest number using the given digits. Given digits are 5, 0, 3, 1, 7, 4. And you have to form the smallest number. So first you will write 0, then 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. See, the number formed is 13,457. Now next question is, write greatest 5-digit number and write smallest 5-digit number using digits. Here the restriction is you have to form the greatest 5-digit number and smallest 5-digit number by using digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are given, but you have to form 5-digit and greatest 5-digit and smallest 5-digit number. So first digits are 3, 7, 1, 4. So the greatest 5-digit number formed by these digits, you have to repeat the greatest digit twice. 7, 7, 4, 3, 1. This is the greatest 5-digit number. And for write smallest 5-digit number, you have to repeat the smallest digit 2 times. Here the smallest digit is 1. So repeat 1 2 times. Then write 3, 4, 7. Okay, so this is the smallest 5-digit number formed by 3714, 11,347. Now you have to form the greatest 5-digit number and smallest 5-digit number using 480. So the greatest 5-digit number, how will you write? You have to repeat 8 3 times. So you have to write 8 3 times, then write 4 and 0. So the greatest 5-digit number formed by 480 is 88,840. Now you have to write greatest 5-digit number formed by 3 and 9. So in 3 and 9 the greatest digit is 9. So repeat 9 4 times and then write 3 at last. Okay, so the greatest 5-digit number will be 99,993. Then to form smallest 5-digit number, you have to repeat 3 4 times and then at last write 9. So the number formed will be 33,339. Now next question you have to understand is rounding of the numbers. First you have to round off 6,292 nearest 10. Okay. To round off any number nearest 10, you have to see the ones place digit of any number. In 6,292, the ones place digit is 2. 2 is less than 5. You have to compare digit with 5. 2 is less than 5. So write 0 at the place of 2 and write 9 as it is, 2 as it is and 6 as it is. So the rounding number of 6,292 is 6,290. Okay. Now you have to round off 7,380 nearest 100. To round off any number nearest 100, you have to see the tens place digit. Ones tens. In 7,380, the tens place digit is 8. Here 8 is greater than 5. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to put 0 at ones place, then 0 on tens place. But here 8 is greater than 5. So the 100 place digit, you have to write the next digit of 3. The next digit of 3 is 4 and then write 7 as it is. Okay. So the rounding number of 7,380 is 7,400. Now next you have to round off 20,518 to the nearest 1000. To round off any number nearest 1000, you have to see the 100 place digit. In 20,518, the 100 place digit is 5. Here 5 is equals to 5. So put 0 on ones, tens and 100 place. And since here the 100 place digit is equals to 5, so write the next digit of 0. What is the next digit of 0? 1. And write 2 as it is. Okay. Means you have to change only the 1000 place digit in the case of equal. Okay. So the rounding number of 20,518 is 21,000. Okay. Now you have to learn Roman numbers. So the Romans used 7 letters to write numbers. What are these 7 letters? I, P, X, L, C, D and N. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. Okay. These Roman numbers you have to learn. Now you can write Roman number of any Hindu Arabic number. What are Hindu Arabic numbers? The counting numbers are called Hindu Arabic numbers. So here 17 is the counting number. You can speak it like Hindu Arabic number. So you can write Roman number of 17. You can write 17 as 10 plus 7. So Roman number for 10 is X and Roman number for 7 is V double I. So the Roman number for 17 is XV double I. Okay. Now you can write 34 as 30 plus 4. So Roman number for 30 is triple X and Roman number for 4 is IV. So Roman number of 34 is triple X IV. Okay. Now you have to write Hindu Arabic number for given Roman number. Triple X. Triple X stand for 30 and IV stand for 4. 30 plus 4 will be 34. So Hindu Arabic number for this Roman number triple X IV will be 34. Now you have to write Hindu Arabic number for double X V. So double X stands for 20 and V stands for 5. So what number you will get? 20 plus 5 will be 25. So Hindu Arabic number for double XV will be 25. In this way you can write any of the Roman number or any of the Hindu Arabic numbers. Now let's start chapter 2 for revision. Chapter 2 is addition and subtraction. First you should know the addition facts. The first fact is when we add any two numbers or more than two numbers in any order, the sum will remain same. Here 123 plus 345. If we are adding these two numbers, we are getting 468. If we change the order of the number, first if we write 345 and then we will write 123, the number will be same, 468. The sum will remain same. So what is the first fact? When we add numbers in any order, the sum will remain same. Okay. The second fact is when we add 1 in any number, we will get the successor of that number. If I am adding 1 in 45, what I am getting here? 46. 46 is the successor of 45. Okay, this is the second fact. And third fact, when we add 0 in any number, we will get the same number. Here we are adding 0 in 42. Again we are getting 42 as the sum. So this is the third fact. When we add 0 in any number, we will get the same number. Now next question is add and check the answer numbers. Here we are adding 3452 and 4356. So you have to start adding from the right side. 2 plus 6 will be 8. 5 plus 5 will be 10. Write 0 in answer, carry over 1. 1 plus 4 will be 5. 5 plus 3 will be 8 and 3 plus 4 will be 7. What is the sum here? 7808. Now you have to check the answer. So you have to change the order of the number. First you will write 4356 and then you will write 3452. Now again 8. 6 plus 2 will be 8. 5 plus 5 will be 10. Carry over 1. 1 plus 3 plus 4 will be 8 and 4 plus 3 will be 7. Again you are getting the same answer. So this way you have to add and check the answer. Now next question is subtract and check the answer. You have to subtract 3659 from 7568. Okay, can you subtract 9 from 8? No. So you have to borrow from 6. So this 8 will be 18 and 6 will be 5. 18 minus 9 will be 9. 5 minus 5 will be 0. Can you subtract 6 from 5? No. So you have to borrow from 7. So this 5 will be 15 and 7 will be 6. Now 15 minus 6. So after 6 you have to count up to 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. What are you getting here? 9. 6 minus 3 will be 3. Now you have to check the answer. So what will you do? You have to write the difference 3909 plus you have to add a smaller number. The smaller number is 3659. Add both the numbers. If you get the greater number, then your difference is correct. Okay, your subtraction is correct. 9 plus 9 will be 8. Carry over 1. 5 plus 1 will be 6. 9 plus 6 will be 15. Write 5 in answer. Carry over 1. 3 plus 3 plus 1 will be 7. What are you getting here? Greater number 7568. So the subtraction is correct. Now next question which you have to understand is find the sum. You have to add 2009, 24,761 and 867 and find the sum. First you have to see the greatest number. This is 4-digit number, 2009 is 4-digit number, 24,761 is 5-digit number, and 867 is 3-digit number. So the greatest number is 24,761, which is 5-digit number. So first you have to arrange all these number in column. So first you have to write the places up to 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, then you have to arrange the first number. The first number is 2009. So write 2009. Then 24,761 and then at last write 867. Now you have to add from the right side. 9 plus 1 plus 7 will be 17. So write 7 in answer, carry over 1. 1 plus 6 will be 13. Write 3 in answer, carry over 1. Then 1 plus 7 plus 8 will be 16. Write 6 in answer, carry over 1. Then 1 plus 2 plus 4 will be 7 and 2 as it is you have to write. So what is the sum here? The sum is 27,637. Next question is, what is the difference between 9,999 and 10,000? Which number is greater? 9,999 or 10,000? 10,000 is greater. So you have to subtract 9,999 from 10,000. Okay, we can't subtract 9 from 0, so we have to borrow from 1. So this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 9 will be 1. 9 minus 9 will be 0. 9 minus 9 will be 0 and 9 minus 9 will be 0. So what is the difference here? Difference is 1. Now next question is, find the number which is 2053 more than 10,615. Here the word more than we are having, so you have to add both the numbers. So you have to add 10,615 and 2053. 5 plus 3 will be 8, 1 plus 5 will be 6, 6 plus 0 will be 6, 0 plus 2 will be 2 and 1 will be 1 as it is. So what is the answer? 12,668. Now next question is, what should be added to 978 to get 9,780? So in this type of question you have to subtract the smaller number from greater number. Okay, so greater number is 9,780 and smaller number is 978. So you have to subtract 978 from 9,780. So this 0 will be 10, 8 will be 7 and this 7 will be 17 and 9 will be 8. 10 minus 8 will be 2, 7 minus 7 will be 0, 17 minus 9 will be 8 and 8 as it is you have to write. So what is the answer here? 8,802. So when we add 8,802 in 978, we will get 9,780. Now next chapter is chapter 3, multiplication. Let's start revision of this chapter. So first type of question will be find the product. So in this question you have to multiply two numbers. Here we are multiplying 283 by 5. Okay, to multiply any number you have to know the tables. Okay, so you all have to learn tables. First we will multiply 5 by 3. 5 3s are 15. So write 5 in answer, carry over 1. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 1 will be 41. So write 1 in answer, carry over 4. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 will be 14. So what is the product? The product is 1415. Okay. Now next question is multiply horizontally and find the product. You have to multiply horizontally. So first you will multiply 5 and 7. 5 7s are 35. So write 5 in answer and carry over 3. Then again 5 7s are or 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3 will be 38. So write 8 in answer and carry over 3. Then 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 3 will be 66. So write 6 in answer carry over 6. Then 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 6 will be 13. So what is the product here? 13,685. This way you have to multiply horizontally and find the product. Now next question of this chapter is multiply by expanding bigger number. We are having two numbers 2617 and 6. You have to multiply both the numbers. But you have to expand bigger number and then multiply. So here the bigger number is 2617. So first we will expand this number. How can we write this number? We can write this number as 2000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 7. Okay, now we have to multiply 6 in each number. And then you have to add the answers. 7 6 or 6 7 6 7 are 42. Then 6 10s are 60. Then 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 6 are 36. Then 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0 and 6 2s are 12. What are you getting here? 12,000, 3,600, 60 and 42. Now you have to add all these numbers. 12,000, then 3,600, then 60 and 42. Okay, add all these numbers. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2, you will get 2. 0 plus 0 plus 6 plus 4, you will get 10. So write 0 in answer, carry over 1. 1 plus 6 will be 7. 2 plus 3 will be 5 and 1 as it is. What are you getting here? 15,702. This is the product. This is the answer. Now next question is find the product. Is multiply 345 by 64. So you have to draw a rough work. Okay. You have to multiply 345 and 64. So first you will multiply 345 by 4. 4 5s are 20. So write 0 in answer, carry over 2. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 18. So write 8 in answer, carry over 1. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. What are you getting? 1380. So write 1380 here. Then multiply 345 by 6. 6 5s are 30. Write 0 in answer, carry over 3. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 will be 27. So write 7 in answer, carry over 2. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 will be 20. So leave one space and write the number 2070. Then you have to add both the numbers. 0 cross 0 will be 0. 8 plus 0 will be 8. 3 plus 7 will be 10. So write 0 in answer, carry over 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2 and 2 as it is. So what is the product here? Product is 22,080. Now you have to multiply 3087 by 37. So again draw a rough work. Then start multiplication. 3087 multiplied by 37. So first you will multiply 3087 by 7. 7 7s are 49. So write 9 in answer, carry over 1. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 4 will be 60. So write 0 in answer, carry over 6. 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 6 will be 6. 7 3s are 21. So write this number 21,609. Then you have to multiply 3087 by 3. 3 7s are 21. Write 1 in answer, carry over 2. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 2 will be 26. Write 6 in answer, carry over 2. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 will be 2 and 3 3s are 9. Leave one space and write the number 9,261. Then you have to add both the numbers. 9 cross 9 will be 9. 0 plus 1 will be 1. 6 plus 6 will be 12. So write 2 in answer, carry over 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 will be 4. And 9 plus 2 will be 11. So what are you getting here? 1,14,219. This is the product.